Hi everyone. Have you ever wanted to write a nonfiction book, a memoir perhaps, or a health-related advice book? How about self-help? Or maybe you have a completed manuscript already and you're just not sure about next steps or how to get an agent or a publisher to notice it. I'm Carolyn Roy-Bornstein, a physician and an author. I've written 4 books and I've gotten all my agents and publishers on query or proposal, and I'm here to teach you to do the same. We'll be talking about all the components of a nonfiction book proposal, from a marketing plan to audience analysis to competitive titles, and why each is important. Then we'll tackle the ever-important and sometimes intimidating platform, and you'll learn why you probably have a bigger platform than you think already. Then we'll wrap it all up with how to write a query letter that will get your platform noticed and your proposal requested by agents and publishers. I'm excited to share all of this with you and more.